Hello guys, I'm pursuing BTech from KIET Group of Institution. This is the final assignment analysis of a building for seismic loads. First of all, we will do for response spectrum method. For this, we have to go to define load patterns, seismic load is added, modify lateral load. For response spectrum method, both x direction and y direction will be selected, and zone factors and response reduction vector will be from IS code. Press OK. Now we'll go to define function response spectrum. Delete this function. First of all, I'll delete this function and I'll add a new function. Select IS 1893 2002. Add a new function. Response spectrum. Response spectrum. Function damping ratio 0.05. Seismic zone factor 0.36 will be from IS code. Press OK. Press OK. Then define load cases, response, load cases. Delete this as I have done earlier. It's because of this it is shown here. Now add new case and write response spectrum. Select response spectrum. Now add acceleration U1 from drop down list response spectrum and scale factor. These are calculations from IS code from as per location of the building. 1633.5. 1633.5. As we have selected x direction and y direction, we have to add two loads, U2. Similarly, this will be response spectrum and same 1633.5. Press OK. OK. Now everything is done. We have to analyze our building. So set load cases to run. As we have done dead analysis for dead load and live load, we do not have to add again. Now run now. Analysis will be done. It will take some time. The progress can be shown. Analysis has been done. Now we will design concrete frame design. Start design. Check. We can see the designing is taking place. Wait for some time. It will take some time. If any member fail, we will reiterate the designing process so that auto select feature will come into existence and will Run analysis for larger section of the beam and column. As this one number of frame is failed, we will reiterate. If the result is showing that failure again and again, we will go for higher section. Let's see. As no error is shown, the design is successful, and now we will analyze time history analysis because we have done response spectrum method. For this, define load, load pattern, seismic analysis, modify. As we have select X and Y for response spectrum, now we will select only X for history time analysis. Click OK. OK. Define. We will define a function time history from file. Add a new function. Browse the file. I have downloaded a file of Bhuj earthquake. This open. Open a file. Now header line to skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 line we have to skip, and this is the starting of the file. So we'll press 9. Points per line is 1. Fixed format. Okay. Now this is the file. Now click OK. Now go to define, load cases, time history is selected. Delete this because I have done before, that's why it is showing. Now add a new case. Here time history, is selected. Now only one will be added. Select acceleration 1. From drop down select time history, scale factor 1633.5, 1633.5. Click OK. Now this is added. Now click OK and go to analyze set. In this we have to run those, and dead and live load will not be run because we have done analysis before. So run now. It will take some time. As it is done, now we can show displacement values by moving our cursor. We will go to design, start design check. It will take some time. Similarly, as response spectrum, if the frame structure fails, we will again reiterate the designing process. As no error is shown, our design is complete. We can see the reports, project report, summary report.